Hey guys, it's Feedingsblog here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a start screen on Roblox Studio. The first thing you want to do is go down here to start a GUI and press this button right beside it. Now make sure you're at the top and then press Screen GUI. Now when you're done that, press this button right beside Screen GUI and add a frame. Now the scaling can sometimes be a little bit annoying. So what you need to do now is go into View and press Properties and Explore. You should have Explore on to actually do this. If you don't Explore on, you just do this. Just go in here and press Explore. And make sure you have Properties too. So if you go down here in Properties, you can see 100 and 0.100, 0.100. That's the size. So what you want to do is just press 9999999, just a lot of nines, 0.9999999.0, and that's it. So now it fills the screen. The next thing you want to do is add a tile. Now listen up, this frame is very customizable. I can make it green if I want to. For this tutorial, I'm not gonna go too much into that, so I'm just gonna make a basic one. So you can add whatever you want to the frame, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna add a title right here. Make sure you scale your stuff, and let's call this Game Stored. Now, like I said, you don't have to do this, only if you want to customize it as much as you want. Now, the thing you want to do, you want to make sure that all your things is in the frame. And the next thing you want to do is add a text button. Now, this is the button you're gonna press when you wanna join the game, if you know what I mean. When you want the screen to go away. So what you want to do is make your button, customize it as much as you want. I'm actually just gonna do this, so it looks pretty okay. Go down here and say play. That's just what I'm gonna do for this tutorial. By the way, if you press text scale, then it will make it make the text as big as possible in that frame, yeah. So the next thing you want to do is very important. So the next thing you want to do is go to your text button, press this little button right beside, and up here you can see you can search for objects, write local. Okay, here it is. Add a local script. And this is basically the functions. So what you wanna write is script dot parent dot text button dot mouse one click, put these connects, and then function. I don't know if I spelled script wrong. And then end with this. Now like that, that is the first function. So basically what this does is it did text if you press the text button. Now if you want to call the text button something else, you can always just add instead of text button. So yeah. So right here under, you want to write script dot parent dot parent. So 3 times parent. Dot frame. And then call it, like I said, that's just a frame. So you can call it whatever you want to. If you have the frame's name as like the frame 100 or something, you can just put a 100. So what you want to do is go like this. Type visible space equals and then false. Now what this dot line does is basically telling if this text button gets pressed, then it should make the frame invincible. Because visible equals false mean it ain't visible basically. So let's try this out. Let's go in game and try this out. So here we got it. It says game start, play. If we press play, it disappears. Don't know why my hand disappeared. But yeah, hopefully you guys find this tutorial helpful. I'm very new at this YouTube stuff, so consider liking and subscribing. Hit that notifications to never miss a video. Yeah, maybe leave a comment of what you guys want to have a tutorial about. You know, it could be like how to, I don't know, how to change the starter character or something. You guys tell me in the comments, and that's basically it. Have a nice day. More tutorials will be coming, and that's basically it. See you all next video. Bye.